Welcome to Hamilton, Ohio, where community spirit thrives and progress is always on the horizon. And when it comes to efficient waste management solutions, there's one name you can trust. Introducing Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, your premier destination for dumpster rental in Hamilton, Ohio, and the surrounding areas. Whether you're tackling a home renovation, clearing out clutter, or managing a construction site, Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati has the perfect dumpster size to suit your needs. At Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, we're more than just a waste management company. We're your partners in keeping Hamilton clean and beautiful. Our experienced team is dedicated to providing exceptional customer service, from helping you choose the right dumpster to ensuring timely delivery and pickup. And speaking of service, Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati offers competitive pricing without compromising on quality. We believe in providing value that fits your budget. Ready to experience the Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati difference? Call us today at 513-586-8313 or visit us online at www.dumpsterdaddycincy.com. Dumpster Rental Hamilton, OH to reserve your dumpster. Dumpster Daddy Cincinnati, your trusted partner for dumpster rental solutions in Hamilton, Ohio, and beyond. We look forward to helping you achieve a clean and clutter-free work environment.